Alright, I have a crawl space furnace, 90%, with some nice rat traps sitting around it. Better keep that out of my way. This thing is just running, constant running. And I don't think it is burning. It is not burning. No flame. Yeah. So three flashes. Pretty sure that's pressure switch. Sec. Get this door off. We have a severe weather alert for this weekend, and today's Friday. People are worried about it freezing. Oh, okay, look. Well, we got something happening now. Went from 3 flashes to working. Alright, well. Let's double check the 3 flashes. 3 flashes. Pressure switch stuck open. Okay. So when it's one of these, I want to check our drains. They put everything in the way on this one. Got this. Try to get this back on. Had some water in this one, so I'm not real sure why, but Blow it out. Yeah, that's my condensation one. I'll see if this one has any clog or anything. That one's pretty clear. Okay, let me fire it back up. Should just fire right up. I guess she has the fan on. That flame sensor has seen better days. Tried to seal this crawl space up. Looks like rats have gotten the insulation. It's nasty. Had to tape this switch. I don't know if I'm calling or what here. Get my meter. No, it's not calling. The fan is calling though. Let me just jump it out. While I'm messing with it, my goodness. Okay. Looks like I have decent rise for the exhaust. Just gonna let this thing run for a little while and I'll come back. Well, check the configuration of these hoses and they seem to be the way they want them. Unfortunately, there's not a picture for the pressure switch hoses. There's pictures for the drain, but not the pressure switch hoses. Well, That doesn't work. Let me get a different tool here. They don't make this one easy to get into, that's for sure. But yeah, no matter what I do with the drain, it seems to keep getting water at this port here. Oh, my goodness. It's a little bit of a fight, but I got it. Nice and clean. Like it, but I don't think that's causing any problems. So yeah, this here, they hard pipe this onto there instead of using the flexible hose that comes with it. And this was cut flat. I cut this piece off of it and so it was just bottoming out in the condensate pump. This was filling up, causing the pressure switch hoses to clog up. And yeah, so I'm gonna put this back on. So yeah, got it all back put back together, and this is no longer bottomed out in the condensate pump, and that should do the trick. Full that is. Huh. All right, so I'm gonna replace this pump. You can see it's nasty, and they didn't wire the safety switch, so I'm gonna wire that up as well while I'm at it. All right, condensate pumps in, wires. Safety switch wire is wired up now. And all I gotta do is just plug it in, turn it back on. And I'll go get some water and test it. Testing out the pump. Jeez. It's gonna take more water than that. So I had to abandon that. I don't know, I was getting 106 volts on neutral and ground on that. So I don't know what the deal is. I just put some tape over it. I swapped this old switch. It had one of those switches with the screw in fuse, and I just swapped that out for a switch outlet combo. Get her running. She should be good to go. And I filled this pump up and now it's empty, so that's gonna do this one. Appreciate y'all watching.